What about for students where let's say they've already applied earlier in the cycle, they're starting to get results back soon, and they're thinking about scholarship money? What do you advise to students in terms of negotiating scholarships or sending updates midway through the cycle? Is there anything you advise clients with on that end?
Sure. So yeah, it can help maybe to retake the LSAT. I know it's a lot of work, but occasionally that can help. But I think what assists them at the end of the day is if they have competing offers with competitor law schools. So in my experience, it matters more if the law school that has given you money is closely ranked to the law school you're trying to negotiate with. Because they're not really going to look at schools significantly below them in rank and feel that offer is comparable. So they're really aiming to get better yield. So I do think, if you have updates and show deep interest, you can certainly send, an updated transcript if you're still in school or an updated LSAT. But I think at the end of the day with the yield, it really kind of depends on what the school's trying to do with their enrollment. Like each school kind of has their own goals. Maybe one year, like a school's a little short on a certain region of the country, or, maybe there are more females than males in the class and they might want more males. So I do think that does factor into the decision.
Right. So there are these mysterious factors happening within the school that we don't really have any way of knowing what's going on in there. So there's a certain luck of the draw.
Correct. So,
Yeah.
there are occasions, of course, where students try to negotiate and they're not able to get more money. But the competitive landscape of law school now, in terms of, there are 200 law schools out there, and, they all need to fill their classes. So I do find that usually there is a little room to negotiate. It depends, though. I'm saying, like, out of all the schools you're trying to negotiate with, probably at least a couple are going to sweeten their offer a little bit.
Well, that makes a lot of sense. So at least it's good to know as an applicant that however things play out, it's not necessarily all about you, the applicant. The school has their own needs and considerations, and there's also all the other people out there who may just have different attributes from you. So I think that was a really useful point, Christina. Thanks for that.